Hey guys, welcome back to Till Vacuum Do Us Part. Today I'm sharing with you a nightly cleaning routine, and it started out as just cleaning, and then when I made it into my glam room, I decided that I wanted to rearrange it and flip it. So if you make it till the end, you'll see me and my husband rearrange, and I'll also do a walkthrough of the finished product. So this is after dinner but before bedtime, and I just needed to get some cleaning done. We have family coming into town. I've been super busy and hadn't had time to wipe furniture pieces down. And then I'm gonna be busy the next couple days, so I thought, hey, I'm gonna let Chase put Savannah down for bed and I'm gonna get some stuff cleaned. And so that's what you're gonna be watching me do.
Told. But I don't mind even though I lose control. Oh, I just wanna have a good time, so call me whenever, 'cause a night like this, it never gets old. Oh no, we don't wanna do slow-mo, so tonight we just let go. To the beat in the street, every freak out singing like.
Now I'm headed into my guest bathroom, and I like to clean this weekly as far as the toilet and doing all that, but I come in this room daily just to wipe down the countertops, the mirrors, the faucets. I just like it clean since it is reserved just for our guests. I like to keep it fresh and shiny. After I'm finished cleaning the guest bathroom, I'm going to head into my kitchen and tidy it up some. I did mention before this is after dinner, so I've already done some of the cleanup, but since then we've come in here. The dishwasher is going, but I had a few things left in my sink that didn't fit into it or that we found later. So I'm going to hand wash those real quickly and then hand dry them because I like going to bed with a clean kitchen and I don't want dishes left out on my countertop.
About something real, but I know love is based on honesty. Kept thinking how real love should feel, knowing that it's not just you, it's me, 'cause I was made to be free. I am made to be free. I am made to be free. Well, I am made to be free. To be free. When I know that it's not how you get me. Been thinking about myself and myself only. I've been like that since I was a kid. I've always put my feet wherever I want to. Before I saw who I could be, kept thinking, where did I go wrong? Then realizing where I do come from. Wasn't how real love should feel, knowing that it's not just you, it's me, 'cause I was made to be free. I am made to be free. I am made to
Now that the dishes are clean and dried and put away, I'm going to go ahead and wipe down my countertops. I've mentioned in other cleaning videos, I'll even link some up high and down below for you. I wipe down my countertops probably 3 times a day, if not more. I just like them shiny, I like them clean, and especially before I go to bed, I like making sure there's no crumbs or anything on them.
Watch the clock ticking off the wall, but tonight I'm letting it go. Spend my coin for sure. I'm gonna be myself, or I could be someone else. No one's stopping me now. I'm gonna skip
The spray that I use on my countertops is the Method Granite Countertop Spray, and I love it, and I feel like it works just as well on my stainless. So typically when I'm done wiping down my countertops, I'll go ahead and just wipe down my appliances so that they're clean as well.
when I'm in this town. Look at those beautiful stars. I wanna drive a faster car. Nothing can break me. No, nothing can break me.
While I'm wiping down our dining room table, I haven't cleaned it since after dinner, so I'm going to wipe it down and then pull the chairs out so that I can vacuum the rug underneath it to pick up any crumbs from dinner.
No, nothing can break me. Look at the beautiful stars. I wanna drive a faster car. Lay my troubles to rest. Blow the smoke through my cigarette. City lights looking fine, and I know this is my time now. I'm gonna be myself, or I could be someone else. No one's stopping me now. I'm gonna skip my breaks. I'm gonna make mistakes. I just wanna feel alive. It's just what I do when I'm out, so try not to hold me down. Feel alive when I'm in this town.
Now that that rug is clean and the chairs are back, I'm going to go ahead and finish vacuuming the rest of the kitchen.
Try not to hold me down. Feel alive when I'm in this town. Look at the beautiful stars. I wanna take a trip to Mars. Nothing can break me. No, nothing can break me.
It's been a few weeks since I've had time to wipe down my fireplace, and that is just an area, it gets so dusty. I don't feel like the tables around it or even the TV does, but that fireplace, I think it just has so many grooves and details, it gets stuck in there, so I like to wipe it down. And then I like to polish my front door a lot. I just don't want it to get dry and crack, so you'll see me wipe that down. And then I'm going to walk over and close my blinds so my neighbors don't think I'm crazy with all the lights on and the camera set up filming me cleaning.
I'm gonna be someone else. I'm gonna be myself. I'm gonna be someone else. I'm gonna skip my breaks. I'm gonna make mistakes.
I swear I fluff up this sofa all day long. It's new and it's held its shape well, but I feel like it gets sad looking when my pillows are all kind of smashed and not fluffed. So I'm going to fluff them and then vacuum the sofa because like I said, we eat in here. We have chips, we have snacks, we have popcorn. Tiger doesn't shed, but I do like to just have that vacuumed up. I'll vacuum my rug and then I'll vacuum my wood floors in my living room.
Look at the beautiful stars. I wanna take a trip to Mars. Nothing can break me. No, nothing can break me.
You're my music, but you tear me to pieces. So where does it come from? A scene that keeps playing on repeat, ignores the rule of thumb. Oh, where does it come from? Oh, where does it come from? All your emotions with your heart on your
I am going to mop tonight. Sometimes I do it every other night, sometimes I do it every night, but we've been in and out of the house a lot, and Tiger, it rained here, so his paw prints are everywhere. And yes, I clean my floors with just water. I get a lot of questions. That's what it's designed to do. It kills bacteria and all of that. It's so easy. You wet the mop head and then it like velcros to the mop, and all you do is clean your floors with it, and there are no streaks. They're clean, they're shiny, and it's so easy. It takes me less than like 5 or 10 minutes to get it done, so it's totally worth it. Okay, now is where the rearranging begins. I'll link the video up high, and we had switched rooms, so Savannah's been back and forth to a few rooms, but she was in here not too long ago, and we had hung her TV on the wall, and when she moved back to the side of the house with us, we had never moved it over there, because I was kind of using it in here to watch YouTube videos while I edit, but I learned it was just a distraction, so I don't even turn it on. So we had taken that TV and put it into her room, and now that freed up a wall, so I thought, hey, let's flip-flop this so you walk in and see my desk instead of just like a dresser and vanity, and typically my vanity is kind of messy because it's white from makeup. So we decided to flip it, so that's what me and my husband are gonna do right now.
Hold on, so I need you to play on, play on, play on. So you don't know what you're doing, and the walls are closing in. Just remember where we're going, and remember where we've been. We can breathe underwater, nothing can hurt us anymore. And as long as we're together, it doesn't matter where we are. When I look at the ocean's think it's pointless, I will remind you that it's not. And the world will dance around us. They wanna know what we've got. We can breathe underwater, nothing can hurt us anymore. And as long as we're together, it doesn't matter where we are. When I look at the ocean's
Guys, let me know what you think about where I should hang my necklaces. Chase kind of hides it or hangs it up over here by the mirror, and I'm not completely sure. I like it better now that I'm seeing it on video. And then he also shows it over by my mirror where I actually like get ready and get dressed, but I feel like it feels out of place. Let me know if you guys would put it by my vanity, by my mirror, if I just need to find a different solution and not hang them.
Standing in the crowd, feeling heartbeat. Don't you wanna party? Don't you wanna party? Staying out all night.
So I'm completely exhausted at this point. It's getting late. Savannah's in bed, but everything's dirty and we just moved it and had our hands all over it. So I'm gonna go ahead and wipe down the pieces so that when I wake up tomorrow, it's fresh and clean.
To lose my mind, I'm going crazy. Lately I've been feeling every day's the same. So I'm just gonna close my eyes and pretend that I'm not here. Cause I just wanna dance, I just wanna dance. Don't you wanna party? Standing in the crowd, feeling heartbeat. Everybody's carefree, everybody's carefree. Don't you wanna party? Standing in the crowd, feeling heartbeat. Don't you wanna party?
Okay, and this is the next morning because it was getting kind of dark and I was tired, but this is how it turned out. I love it. It feels so much more open, and I love walking in and seeing my new chairs that I found at the garage sale, and I think it just works better as a flow. Let me know what you guys think down in the description box or below in the comments. And if you're not following me on Instagram, please go check me out over there and go ahead and check out my Amazon store. I love you guys, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.